Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back. So this is going to be a really short video. I came in here just to get ready for the day, throw on a little bit of makeup so I can get my day started, and probably going to go to Walmart, maybe Dollar Tree, I don't know. But when I came in here, I got an email from Jord watches and I found out who the winner is. So I wanted to come on and congratulate Valerie. I don't think there's a last name. There was something on there that said Valerie Fairie, F-A-I-R-I-E. So if that is you, Valerie, congratulations. So I might email her and congratulate her personally. And to everyone else who didn't win, I'm so sorry, but I hope you took advantage of that $25 coupon where you could get $25 off. Aren't those watches gorgeous? So if you want a unique watch, go to jordwatch.com and go and order yours. They're not very expensive and they make beautiful gifts. But once again, I just want to congratulate you, Valerie. I'm so glad that you got a $180 store credit. Let me know which watch you end up choosing. Send me a picture. You can go to either Glama Wilson Facebook page or Glam It Up with Glama Facebook page or Made with Love by Glama Facebook page. Let me know. I would love to see a picture of the watch that you chose. Alrighty guys, I just wanted to make this really quick video, like I said, just to congratulate her. Don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye! Mwah.